Hello everyone, I am Preeti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A Shift of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Now our next topic is tender of chapter number 6. So let's see what is tender. So what is tender? Tender is an invitation of the both parties, two parties. This offer may be written or non-written. This offer is given by the party number 1, that means owner, given to the contractor, that means it is a party number 2 who has to complete the project work. So this is tender. Then types of tender. There are 3 types of tender: negotiate tender, limitation tender, selective, or it is also called as a selective tender, and next is open competition tender. So in this tender, the government organize, PWD work organize, and he give it is a open competition tender. So in this tendering, the government gives the notice in the newspaper and the number of contractor we can apply for this tender notification. Now let's see one by one. First one is the open tendering system. Even non-registered dealers are free to participate. Known and possible sources for the supply of the particular material where are made aware of requirement and allowed to quote. This tendering, open competition tendering, is also called as the public tendering. In such cases, advertise is given in the public paper, that means in the newspaper, which are the leading papers. Then in this, the advertising is made to all known and likely sources for the particular product. So these are the types of tender. Then next is what is tender notice. So tender notice is always in a written format. So it is written notice invite the contractor to submit their offer or tender for the execution of a particular work. It is an offer from the department engineer to various contractor of undertake some specific job at some specified terms and condition and to complete job in this specified period. The tender notice published must give the sufficient information to the contractor. Likewise, earnest money, security deposit, date and time of the opening of tender, the submission date. So these all are the given in the notice format. So this is called as a tender notice. Then notice contain the following information. So first one is a seated tender, that means which mode of the submission of the tender, then nature of work and its location, estimated cost of work, then in tender notice earnest money deposit also there, then next amount of security deposit, then form of the earnest money, last date and time for filling the tender form. Then next in tender notice last date also mention of issue of tender blank tender form, then cost of the blank tender form, name of inviting authority, then duration of work is also mentioned in the tender notice, then competent authority to receive the tender, opening procedure of the tender, and last is validity period. So these all are the contents which is mentioned on the tender notice. Then what preparations of tender documents? So first one is the title page. So it should have the title of work to be performed, reference number, location of the site, and issuing authority of tender. Then index page. So it's give the list of content in serial order with page number. Then next, printed form of agreements is also necessary for the tender. Then brief tender notice as published in this prescribed form. Then written notice to the contractor, the prescribed form. Then a complete set of drawings showing the general dimension of work, additional instructions to tender if any, then statement of design details if required. Then tender documents, in tender document general specification is very important. Then a detailed specification of the work involving detailed specification of all the items involving in the work, it is also important. Then general condition of the contract, then special condition of the contract if any. Then technical staff of the employee with contract. Next is income tax clearance certificate of previous year. And next is proof of the previous experience is also need. Then last is the total work in hand with the contractor. So these all are the documents prepared for filling the tender. Thank you.